Hello, everybody. We have something out here this day. It's called iEMISSION BBI Authentifier. It authenticates the emissions and tells us some things about the emissions, if it's high or low. And this machine actually has a burner, it has a battery system that gives power to the burner, and it burns the wood, the plastic or the metal, and it gives them the percentage, the emission percentage, the gas that is given, how bad is the gas, or it gives the number of emission of CO2 or CO, I mean CO, that's carbon monoxide. Yeah, I talk about wood. Tends to have a very high emission, like 80%. That's it. There's actually a ratio definitely, and we have the plastic. It has about 60% CO, and we have the metal, which has about 40% CO. That's carbon monoxide. And no, we know definitely that the heating system definitely tends to be in forms of these are gases actually going out, emission gases. And we know we have what they call a a photo system, definitely a photosynthetic system, definitely, that tends to react to gases, emission of CO gases. And this is actually a plant actually kept here with the roots here, definitely. So you can tell when the emission comes out, definitely. You could tell, for example, you might seize the emission of wood, the emission of plastic, and then use with this meter system, and then only give metal, and you could see the emission here. And if you keep a new plant here, you'll be able to tell the emission of metal, how when it's burnt, how it's dangerous to the plant, and then we will be able to tell if the plant will wither in 2 minutes or in 3 minutes or in 10 seconds. The emission, we'll be able to tell the emission of wood, and the emission of wood is very fast. It burns very fast, and the plant will go die away. And then we have the emission for plastic is gradual too, and the plant will die away. So all these tests about the emission, this is actually a verifier definitely, and this is why it's called the iEMISSION authentifier. And we have the converter here that helps to convert the battery into energy system to to the burner. The converter here, it helps to regulate it definitely. It helps to regulate it. Why it's called a converter? It's supposed to be here definitely, but why it's here is that the battery it has a memory system. A memory system. This is the memory system, the computer system that helps to convert the burner, the battery system into giving heat to the burner. And this is the mechanical converter. Why this is the computer converter. And we have what they call the lightning system. Things like in the lightning system, as lightning and thundering system that can prevent an accidental problem. And here we have what do we have also? We have this. We have what they know as the BBI type system. The BBI type system. We have the eye burner, the eye emission, eye wood, eye plastic, eye metal, and all this definitely are all the criteria definitely that are needed for the iEMISSION BBI authentifier. And we have the request button, definitely the request tab, and we have the BBI. And when you type something here, for example, if you keep wood and you're born, you said you just type what is the emission percentage of this wood. It will tell you as you're born, it will appear. And then yeah, you'll be able to see the wood burning, the emission. You'll be able to carry research and so many things like green emission level, research, engineering, education, science, and life, AI. We have eye burner, eye battery, AI, eye emissions, eye meter, eye converters, eye plastic, eye wood, and eye metal. And all this definitely are all this meter this a monitor that shows all these variables and it's beautiful. So this is called iEMISSION Authentifier and it's created by Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT. That's me, ALIYO MOMOT Jamite, and ALIYO MOMOT, the producer, the musicians, and you got BBI, Backbone, Biogeophysics Interaction. Bye bye.